Hey, what's up guys? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will continue the previous video about JFoenix tutorial series. And today's, we are going to talk about Spinner. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay, first of all, I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the words I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Today, we are going to learn together about Spinner. In the previous video, we have learned together about Slider. If you want to watch my previous video, link on my video description. Okay, first, select Create New Project. In this section, I use IntelliJ IDEA. If you are not familiar with this software, you can use another software like NetBeans and others. Okay, I select Java FX and then select Java FX application. In this section, I use Java 10. Okay, and then select Next. And don't forget to give your project name. In this section, I give project name Spinner Demo. And then select Finish. This is our project. In this project, we have three main files: main.java, controller.java, and sample.fxml. The next step is import JFoenix library. If you don't know how to import JFoenix library, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, the next step is open FXML file in Scene Builder. And make sure you have installed JFoenix on your Scene Builder and integrated Scene Builder with IntelliJ IDEA. If you don't know how to integrate Scene Builder with IntelliJ IDEA, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, the next step is right-click on sample.fxml and then select Open in Scene Builder. Okay, this is sample.fxml. I just delete grid pane and I add anchor pane. If you have installed JFoenix on Scene Builder, you can find custom here. Okay, and I want to find JFXSpinner here. Okay, this is JFoenix Spinner, default JFoenix Spinner. Okay, and I want to add another spinner, and then I give style class on the second spinner. Okay, material design. The next step is I create new CSS file on the sample directories, new, and then select CSS style sheet. I give name main.css. Okay, and I connect this second spinner with my style sheet file. Okay, the next step is I want to change spinner color. I just need to call material design here, material design, and I just need to call .arc and fx stroke and I want to change to the maybe blue. Okay, change to the blue and just compile. Okay, the left side is default spinner and the right side is material design spinner. Okay, we just need to call FXStroke and set your color. Maybe I need to add here material blue, and here, and I want to add one more again, and I give style class material design. Okay, material design %, and I want to set as 0. Okay, here, and I give FX ID maybe JFXSpinner, just save, and then go to the controller.java, and I want to connect my controller to the FXML file. Just need to call fx controller, and then we call controller name. Okay, here, and then as usual we need to initialize and then we can select view and then show sample skeleton, and we just need to copy this code, copy, and then paste here, and the next step is we want to run our spinner. Okay, when we try to compile, the third spinner not run. Okay, look like this, not run. To running our spinner, we need to call timeline, and then we need to set keyframe, and inside keyframe we need to set duration. First duration is 0, and then new key value, and inside this key value we need to call our spinner. In this section, my spinner is JFXSpinner, so, and then progress property, and followed by starting point. Okay, and then new keyframe, duration dot second, and then I want to make it 2 seconds. New key value, and then call spinner again and progress property, and then we need to start our timeline timeline dot set cycle count timeline dot indefinite. Okay, and then timeline dot play. Oh, I'm sorry. Dot play, and then try to compile. Okay, look like this. Awesome. And we can change this to maybe longer than before. I set it to 5 seconds, slower than before. Okay, I think 3 seconds. And we can make it faster. Keyframe. Okay, I'm sorry. Keyframe. And then duration that second I set it to 0.5, and then new key value I think 1.5. so 1.5 is half of 3 seconds. Okay, faster than before. I think we can change to 0.5 to make it faster but not too fast. Okay, like the before. I'm sorry, faster but not too fast. Okay, the next step is we can material design %. I want to change the color. I'm sorry. I want to change the color to the yellow. I want to change the color to orange, and I want to change percentage color to the another color. We just need to call style class and then dot percentage, and then FX fill, and then we can set with another color. Okay, I'm sorry, I think there is an error. Material design %. Okay, I forget to add, I think, to connect my style sheet on the spinner. Okay, just need to run again. Okay, now our spinner changed to the orange. Okay, and the next step is we can set stroke width maybe 10 pixel, maybe 10, bigger than before. Okay, the next step is we can set the radius. Okay, just call from here material design and then JFX radius and set it to 100. When we go to the scene builder, would be like this. Okay, and just try to compile. Okay, now my spinner is 100 radius. And the next step is we can change the node orientation, maybe left to the right, and save, and then try to compile again. This is left to the right, and then right to the left, run again. Okay, and the right side is right to the left. Okay, and we can disable and we can set opacity and much more. Okay, I think enough my tutorial today. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.